Hey everyone. So from the description you have heard about our technology that we created. It's called QUICShift. So basically what we are trying to do is create an optimal algorithm that can send data over chunks but in a more reliable fashion. So let's just get into the demo. So as you can see we have our code database that you can see in the link as well. But if you run this test.sh script, what it actually does is it runs the benchmark with a custom data that we have created. So if I just run it, you will see that it runs a traditional TCP based benchmark first. Note that this benchmark does not include any radio frequency data, but as you can see, it created a benchmark for traditional TCP transfer. And as you can see, this is the received result. With this type of approach, there are obviously many limitations. Like for example, the chunk size is obviously gonna be first limitation because TCP has a 64-bit chunk size. Another thing is, as you can see, TCP requires a three-way sync handshake, and that invites much more latency into the communication. So if we use our approach, we use QUIC, quick algorithm. You can check more about it in the description as well. It does adaptive based chunking. So let's say you are on a grid very near to a certain data point. You can afford sending bigger chunks. And also, we don't need to do any handshake because we use 0 RTT. So the handshake itself is instantaneous. So with that, we got this result. As you can see, we are significantly faster as compared to the traditional way of doing testing. And if you want, there is a result generated in our repository. You can also run it on one of the GitHub Actions workflows. You can just fork our repository and it will start building a new test result for your specific needs. And you can change the test data as you want. So as you can see, we can go inside benchmark results, and these are the results that we have gotten. Thank you very much.